Hey guys, welcome to your 3.4 video notes on related rates. In earlier word problems, we examined how variables change with respect to each other. The key difference in this section is we are considering all variables in questions to be functions of time, and thus calculating the rate of change with respect to time. So let's look at a few functions on the right. Taking the derivative with respect to time. How is this variable changing with respect to a change in time? So let's look at the first one here, the derivative with respect to time of x. So first, what's the derivative of x? It's 1. But I also have to now do the chain rule, the derivative of x with respect to time, dx dt. Now you could also write x prime. Before related rates, I'll probably always use this format so that we remember we're taking the derivative with respect to time. Same thing here, d dt of cosine theta. Well, what's the derivative of cosine theta? It's negative sine theta. But now I need to multiply by chain rule the derivative of theta with respect to time, d theta dt. So last but not least, here in the box, we're taking the derivative with respect to time of ax squared plus c. So I'm going to go ahead and treat all three of these terms as variables that change with respect to time, a, x, and c. So first, if I take the derivative of here, this is a product rule. What's the derivative of a? It's 1, but also multiplied by chain rule, dA dt times x squared, plus a multiplied by the derivative of x squared, which is 2x dx dt, plus the derivative of c with respect to time. Now, if these were constants, a and c, it would have been a much simpler problem, but I figured I might as well throw it to you with 3 variables in that first example. So now let's get into some examples like ones you'll see in your homework as well as in future assessments.